Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today we are going to be doing some close-up swatches with this Aina Anastasia palette. Now, when it first was released, I didn't think I would get it, but it went down to half price on Look Fantastic, and I'm like, yeah, I need to get it, because that is practically unheard of for an ABH palette, unless you're buying it from TK Maxx, and even then sometimes they're not half price. So yeah, it's just really difficult to get out of the box. So I got two of these. I got myself one and I got my friend Naomi one for Christmas from Beauty Dreams by Naomi. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It's just really holographic, really pretty. It just mirrors the outer carton, and then this is the beautiful inside of the palette. It's quite dark for me, but some of the shades, like especially the shimmers, I absolutely love. I'm sure that I'll be able to do some nice looks with it. But yeah, let's get into it. Again, we're just going to go from left to right, and you're getting what, 3, 4, 5, 6, 14 eyeshadows in this one as well. So we're going to start off with the shimmer, which is called Soleil. Oh, that is absolutely stunning. Shea XO did some eyeshadow swatches with this palette when it was first released, and I watched it just before I was going to buy it, and that kind of convinced me. So that's Soleil. The next one is Supreme, which is a matte. A nice red toned rosy matte. And then we've got another matte called Pinker, which is quite red toned. See, this is why I didn't think it was me, because I don't wear red normally, but this might be an introduction palette to red burgundy shades. Then we've got a matte purple called Big Wig. I mean, look how pigmented that is. And then we've got Dwellers, I think it's called. I mean, that purple has just stained my fingers as well, so if you're not a fan of stainage with your eyeshadow, just beware, that's what it does. So Dwellers is next, which is a shimmer. Look at that, guys. So that's that one. Then we've got another matte called Credit, which is beautiful chocolate brown. It's going on a bit patchy. Can you see how it skipped here? Try and make that a bit better. Yeah, it's still skipping. I'm hoping that's going to go on the eye a little bit better once primer's on. And then the last one on the first row is called Lituation, I think it's called, or yeah, I'm sure it's called Lituation. That is a gorgeous shade. So that is the whole first row, and then on the last row is a shimmer called Zam. Oh my gosh, guys, that is just so reflective, very pretty. It's got quite a lot of glitter in it. It's more reflective than the rest of the eyeshadows because I think it's got more glitter in it. And we've got Wigglies, which is a, oh, that is a unique shade, isn't it? I would say, rather than it being a shimmer, it's more of a satin. So that's that one there. It's definitely a unique palette, this. And then we've got Shuckington, which is a shimmer purple. Oh, can you see it's quite chunky? definitely chunky. Just gonna do another swatch over the top. So that is Shuckington. Then we've got a white shimmer which is called Trust Issues. Oh, it's like a duochrome. It's a white, but then it's got a gold reflect. That's pretty. Yeah, this is the duochrome in the palette. So that is that one there. Trust Issues. And then we've got, there's a couple of like transition crease shades, which is nice as well. So they're not all like purples and pinks. So the first one is called Edges. So that one is Edges. Then we've got another shimmer called Sponsored, which is that one there. That's the last shimmer in the palette. That looks more like a blue-brown shade, which you can get in a lot of palettes these days. And then we've got the shade Ginger. That's the last in the palette. So I don't know how this is going to look on my skin tone, because to me, just looking at the colour story, it kind of reminds me of a palette for deeper skin tones. And I was talking to a few people who do have a deeper skin tone than me, and they said that's probably one of the best ABH palettes that they've tried to get to work for their skin tone. So anyway, this is the entire palette. I don't know how much you can see. That's the entire palette. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, I'm really glad I got it at that price. If it would have been full price, I don't think it would be sitting on my vanity now, to be honest. Just because I was never interested in this colour story before. And yes, I did pay full price for 2 palettes, but I don't mind that because one was a gift for my friend. So yeah, that's the ABH palette. So today we've done swatches on the Sigma Enchanted and this one. I have got quite a few other swatches to show you, but I'm not going to do that today. I'll be going to work in a few hours and I just need to catch up on my sleep. So yeah, this concludes the video. Let me know if you've got this palette in your collection and what your thoughts are on it. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.